Hi, my name is Will, and I'm in the 2nd grade. Last week, I had surgery at the Bristol-Myers Squibb Children's Hospital. Want to see what it was like? Let's go! When we got there, someone parked our car while we checked in. I got a special bracelet with my name and birthday, so everyone knew who I was. Then we took the elevator up to a big room and waited until they called my name. Look at that view! First, they checked how tall I am and how much I weigh. Then, they put a sleeve on my arm that gave it a big hug. A nurse took us to my room. This is where I got ready for surgery. I changed into a hospital gown and my mom wiped me down with warm wipes. The nurse asked my mom lots of questions, like if I ate anything. I was so hungry, but my mom said I couldn't eat before surgery. There were big orange machines in the room, and a real person popped up on the screen to help people who speak different languages. Next, I met the child life specialist. She showed me everything that was going to happen while I was at the hospital. She answered my questions, told me about all the people I would meet, and even showed me what it looked like inside the operating room. I had so many questions, but she answered them all. Then, a doctor came in. He has a long name. He is the anesthesiologist. He takes care of the sleepy medicine for surgery, so I don't feel or remember anything. There are 2 ways to go to sleep for surgery. Breathing in the sleepy medicine through a mask, that's what I did, or a tiny straw called an IV in your arm or hand, for older kids. It feels like a little pinch. Some kids also drink a tiny cup of medicine to help them feel sleepy. Then, another doctor came in.
Morning.
He's called a surgeon. He told us all about the surgery and answered my mom's questions. He wrote on my skin with a pen. It tickled. She signed the papers, but not with the pen. It was on a tablet. After a little while, the whole team came back. They checked my name bracelet, read my name and birthday, and said it was time to go. They rolled my moving bed to the operating room. Mom was nearby waiting for me in a special area, just for parents and family members. In the room, everyone wore masks, but I could tell they were smiling. They asked if I was comfortable and helped me move to a different bed. One last check of my wristband, then they gave me the mask. I took deep breaths of the special sleeping medicine, and then I fell asleep.
Good morning, Will.
When the surgery was finished, they stopped giving me the sleeping medicine, and I woke up in a new room with a nurse next to me. My mom came in, and the nurse said my surgery went great. She asked if anything hurt. I said a little, so she gave me medicine through my IV, and I felt better. Then, I got to pick a juice and an ice pop. They had all the colors.
You did such a good job.
Mom was really proud of me. It felt like everything happened so fast. When it was time to go, they took out my IV, and I changed back into my clothes. I even got to ride a wheelchair to the car. And just like that, we went home. If you ever need surgery, don't worry. Everyone here will take great care of you and is super nice. If you have any questions, just ask.